All right. So I think it's a little bit boring doing it, doing it, typing and all of that. So I'm gonna put some voice in this video. So basically, I was showing you my analysis for support and resistance on the 240 minutes or 4 hours chart, which is what I was showing you here. Really, this is a trend that it's dominating now on the 4 hours. It's an uptrend, and gold has been moving to the upside using this channel. So couple of ways to draw this. This one is using that top and then do the extension in this area here for the channel. In that way, you obtain about the same result as if you as if you do it differently and connect this one with that one and potentially that one, and then look for the other side in here to draw the channel. Now, basically, it's been in a channel for the last several days here, so it's been pretty tough to trade in here, but finally broke to the upside, maintaining the structure of the market to the upside. I appreciate the likes. Thank you so much for doing that. And just a reminder, subscribe if you want to be notified when I publish more videos and also when I do this lives video. So basically, Friday and Thursday were kind of big moves. Let me change the color. There were big moves over there. It was, and today it was actually a pretty range day. So it was expected after a couple of days of moving to the upside, a range day. And I'm saying, and what I'm seeing here is that there's a good potential that it's going to go to the upside and potentially looking for the upper side of this channel. Also, it would be nice to look for the 20Y EMA as a support in this area here. I think that we may have some support based on that, um, pivot high right here, and some resistance as the extension of the Fibonacci level that goes in here at 2635, I think it was, and I was showing it in my other chart. Let me show it to you right here. Right here, it's 2636. Right there, and you see that there's a 200 level right there. So I would expect some resistance at this level, which is the 161.3, and it's giving it to you right there with this small candle today. But potentially we can go all the way to the 200, and why not go to the next level, which is this 2677. About a week ago, I said, and you can see the video. I was telling you guys that I was expecting this one to run to the 2600, and it actually did in this candle here. So moved, had a very nice move to the upside right there, and then a continuation to hit the 2600, and now it's bouncing around the 2600. Right now it's at 2609. So not bad of a prediction. I normally don't do those predictions because it's just a probability thing, and I use Fibonacci's all the time in the dailies. You can use them also in the lower time frames, but in the days, I try to maintain my target. You see that it was moving sideways all in this area in a couple of days to the upside right there, and then this smaller candle right here. So we will see what it does. I would like it to come back, as I said, come back and then move up. But it's been strong, so probably it's going to keep going. We'll see. Now, today it was actually a range day. You can see the momentum right here. It's all the way up here at 49. uh, 50 50 level. And I like it when we go back down below here and we do have um, a move down and then to the upside for it to reset in this area. So yeah, that would be probably I would look for. Still, I'm looking for bullish trends, right? Especially when you go, and I always say that if you have this formation here, and I want to draw it, you have a channel, right? You want to trade in these areas when it's moving to the upside. That is where you want to and look for the trades. And if you are looking for areas right here, that your probability of success is going to be better. Now, if the price is around this area, um, and you started to see that the price um, where's the R? Okay, and the prices start to go down right here. You don't wanna try to enter at this point. It's already too close to this line here. So you want to wait until it goes to this area down here to see if you have any setups. Normally, you are looking for in this here. If you have a trend that is coming back down like this, right? And then you're looking here for a trend reversal breakout, a smaller one, but a trend reversal breakout. You can see that it's coming back down and then make a pivot high and then trap all of these people right here and makes a move and then came back down, trap a couple of people there that think that they are going to that it's going to keep moving up, but then this is where you enter and then you put your stop down below here, depending on your risk tolerance. Okay, so this one is at 240, so it has been moving pretty good. If you check the anchor chart for this one here, which is the 30 minutes chart, now you can see some more information about that. Where is the so you have a channel that it's about I would say from here to there, and then the extension is going to go like that, kind of like a replication on that one. Let's paint it. So you go here to there, and then moving up right there. So yeah, still we are in the range, and if you notice here, right? You notice here we are in the middle of this channel. So good possibility that it's going to continue moving to the upside. I would like a reset and then a continuation. That would give more of a profit for the longs right here. So would be good. Now let's check if we had anything in the Renko chart for the entries. So let's remember, let's see when, first of all, I did not make any trades today. Started the day a little bit too choppy. There was a couple of things here in the overnight. It moved, started over here, right, and moved to the upside. This one was yesterday, came back down here and then up and then make a double bottom, double top up here, which is a level of um, um, supply. So lots of sellers were probably around here and then came back down right there and then started to do a trend reversal breakout, but in the range. So, and then a lower low or lower high right here, and then came back down strongly at 5 a.m. So this is what we had. This is what we had in the overnight session, right? And then when the market opened, no news today. There was nothing in the morning. So we were moving here in this channel for the good part of the morning at from 8:20, which is when the gold market opens, I wait until 15 minutes, and then you have the 15 minutes range state right there. There was a break at that this time, which it was around 9 a.m. I did not take it. Why? Because there was, if you see right here, right, right here, you have a good chance that this major pivot high right here and or significant pivot high and significant pivot low will contain the buyers and sellers in this area. And this is exactly what happened, right? Very choppy in this area, came back down, and then a nice good run, but it's very, very hard to predict unless you kind of try or draw this push to the upside, and then you trade the break. But it's still risky because you have this area here. Then came back down, change the color here. Um, then came back down, lower high right there, and then came coming back down, and still we are above this support level right here, and then came back up. So it was a mess. Not a good day for risking. I did not feel confident on. And we did have no news, so really I didn't see anything. Now, if we go and trade everything we see, we're looking for just the good trades. Okay, so let me see here. You have um, a bounce at 9:30. You have a bounce right here, still within this area here. So, but if you consider this one, and that one would have potentially get one target. There, came back down. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Then we do have here a 34 bounce to the downside with a one finger green right there to the other side right there. So that one would have been a good entry still within this channel, but it's a 34 bounce. In here you actually have a cloud, and then you have a week off of the cloud right there. Kind of a try to touch it, but it actually did not. Let's see here. It did. No, it didn't, but it was very, very close. So you could have entered this one as a week off of the cloud right there. And then boom, that target would have been, if you would not be scared of that reversal there. But here you have the second entry, which is a bounce off of the 34. Then came back and nothing here. Potentially this one a little bit extended on the momentum, but still, if you consider that one as a target, that could be another entry right there. But very shortly, very tight on the profit. Then came back up. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Then the end of the day was done. So this is around end of the day here, and then in the afternoon, gold really doesn't move that much. So yeah, that is the action, the price action for today. Very rangy. You see also in the momentum indicator, it goes up, down, up, down. There's a couple of bounces off on the positive side, and then an inflection up here, but really doesn't do that much of the price. So it was really sideways move in there. Well, remember to check the description. There's an Apex 80% discount. I think that we have still. I added some additional accounts today. Let me see. Yeah, so here you have the site. It's apexfunding.com. There's an 80% discount if you use Renko, and you have still 14 days for it. So, yeah, hopefully you can take advantage of that. Remember to like this video and subscribe also. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Oh, something, something wrong with my monitors. Okay, thank you so much, and see you next time.